Hello everyone, this is Melina from Mazda of Hamilton. Today I'm going to be taking you through our beautiful GPS system. So if you want to follow the screen, over here your very first button is going to be your navigation. Over here you're going to have find address, navigate home, points of interest, favorites, and history. So we're going to go over here to find address. It's going to ask you for a city or zip code or a street name. We'll start with the city. Our city that we are looking for is Hamilton. We're going to locate our own dealership. Our street name is Upper James. So it already recognizes our street name, so we're just going to put the check mark. House number is 1977. So over here, it's going to give you an option to save it as a favorite. If, let's say, you're navigating to your house, work, anything like that, press down on Navigate to. It's going to start a countdown for 10 seconds. If you want to fast forward the countdown, you can go ahead and just press down. And it's going to take you to this exact screen. This GPS also allows you to switch the views. You can change it to 2D as well as 3D. If you want to get gas or stop to get food on your way to the destination you're going to, you can also search that just over here. It'll also allow you to search the area and what's nearby and whatnot. And when you're ready, if you do need to cancel a route and start all over, you can go to cancel route and it'll give you the option to cancel route or keep route, and you can do whatever you please. So everyone, that concludes our navigation system for today. If you have any questions or requirements, come on down to 1977 Upper James Street, Hamilton, Ontario. Thank you.